Action centers are your command hubs in SwiftFox. Think of them as smart tables that help you track activity, spot data issues, and take action all in one place. Whether you're monitoring new member approvals, tracking failed payments, or reviewing form submissions, Action Centers give you live reports with easy tools to fix, follow up, or review information directly from the Action Center. In this lesson, we'll show you how to create and customize your own Action Centers using the new Action Center Creator in System Management settings. To access the Action Center Creator, navigate to System Management in Settings. If you can't see this option, you will need to contact your administrator to enable this for you. Once you're in, you'll see all your Action Center areas at the top. These are collections of Action Centers that are easily accessible from the side feature menu. Action Center is the default area which will always be visible. Bit of a side note here, if you just love Action Centers and you want your favorite one to be really easy to find across your organization, you can also go to the feature menu settings and rearrange these as you like. Below the areas, you'll find sections which contain all your Action Centers. From here, you can edit, move to a different area, or archive an Action Center. Archiving is brilliant. It hides the Action Center from view, but keeps it manageable here in settings for later on. I want my new Action Centers to be easily accessible by everyone, so let's start by creating a new area. You can do this by selecting Create New and select New Action Center Area. Add your area details, select an icon, and set the path name. The path name must contain no spaces as it appears in your URL. Important note, after creating a new area, you'll need to refresh your page to see it in the feature menu. Now for the exciting part, creating your Action Center. Select Create New, then Action Center, and you'll see several options. For this example, we're going to create an Action Center to display all our members that are due for renewal in the next 30 days. So we will call this Upcoming Renewals. Select an icon. We'll add this to the area we already have for membership and create a new section called Renewals. Select the Action Center type, such as cases, financials, forms, and many more. In this case, we'll pick List Builder. We can then pick the list that I have pre-prepared, which contains all members that have a renewal coming up in the next 30 days. For Action Centers that you want to appear in your website or portal, you can enable this here and configure additional settings. For List Builder Action Centers, you can configure additional settings for the columns in your table. Default fields are already set, but you can add or remove any field to change which columns display. You can leave the labels as they are or customize them. Finally, if you want certain details such as member status to be directly editable in the Action Center, you can enable that here too. After configuring your Action Center, you'll set permissions. You can make it viewable by everyone, editable by specific people, or completely view only. If someone doesn't have edit permission, they won't be able to access the settings drawer to modify the Action Center. I will leave this as is for now, so let's select Save. If we go over to our Action Center area in the feature menu, we'll now see our new section and the Action Center exactly as we configured it. And that's how you create and manage Action Centers in SwiftFox. With these tools, you can build custom Action Centers that help you track, monitor, and take action on exactly what matters to your organization. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to explore more SwiftFox features, check out our other Academy lessons.